Hello, boys and girls. This is set 3 sight word practice. The words are going to be getting a little bit harder in this set. If you want to practice without the sound of my voice, if you just want to read the words and the sentences on your own, or if you want to watch the video, you need to go back and click on the slides with no sound. It says no sound on the title of the slide. But if you do need a little bit of help or just want to follow along with my voice, here we go. The first word is for. F-O-R, for. This is not the number 4, this is the word for. A wig for a pig. That doesn't sound right. It's kind of funny. Look. L-O-O-K. Read the sentence with me. Look at me. Now you try it on your own. Good job. Next word is make. M-A-K-E, make. Let's read the sentence. I make my bed. Your turn. Be. B-E. Be. I will be a teacher. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. What a good pup. Your turn. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. What is in there? You try. And this kind of there is talking about a place. It's where something is. It's right there. There's other kind of there's you'll learn along the way, but this one means a place. Okay. Want. This is a tricky word. W-A-N-T. Want. It looks like it might be want, but it's a rule breaker. It's not want, because that doesn't even make sense. It's want. Do you want this? You read. Good job. Again, here's another tricky word, or fancy people might say again, very fancy voice, but we say again, A-G-A-I-N, again. I will jump up again. You read? Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. That definitely is a rule breaker. But you're going to see a lot of words coming up here with this O-U-L-D ending, this little word chunk or word family. C-O-U-L-D, could. I could read all day. Your turn. From. F-R-O-M, from. The card is from my grandma. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. That's that bossy R right there. And sometimes when we say water, it sounds like there's a D, but it's water. She is glad to have water. Were, W-E-R-E, were. There were so many grapes. Both, B-O-T-H, both. He put both hands up high. Your turn. Good job. Does. D-O-E-S. That slice of pie does look good. You read? Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. The bow has many dots. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Remember, at the end of a word, that Y can sometimes make the I sound or the E sound. And here it says E. Very. This load is very heavy. Your turn. Oh, I told you we'd see this O-U-L-D again. This is wood. Wood, not like the wood you might see on a tree or that you might build with. This is a different kind of wood. W-O-U-L-D, wood. Would you like to have a bowl? Your turn. Good job. Your, Y-O-U-R. Your, and I know what you're thinking. I know you're using your chunky monkey strategy, and I know that you can see Y-O-U, you, the word you right there. Your is kind of like the word you. Let's read the sentence. Your toast is very burned. It's belonging to someone, so it's still talking about another person. Read the sentence. Good job. People. This is a tricky one. It looks like people, but it's not people, it's people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. The people are mad about the high prices. Your turn. Oh, here's another one with that O-U-L-D. We've had 3 of these so far. And here's an S-H at the beginning. We know what sound that makes. Shh. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. You should turn off the light. That is our last sight word in this set. I would recommend now that you go back to the slides with no sound and practice any words that you're having trouble with. Watch the videos or some of the stories or songs along the side to help you get better and smarter. Good job, everybody.